Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will write a Python script in order to automate the WhatsApp. Suppose we want to send a message to our desired number at a specific time, then we can write a Python code in order to automate this task. So what we need is, first we have to import a module which is called PyWhatKit. So for now, this module is not installed in my Python. So what I can do is I can open my terminal and I can write like pip install pywhatkit. I can do it like this, or you can use your interpreter setting to add the new module. For example, if I will go here and search like pywhatkit, then this is the module I want to install, so I will just simply install it. So this module took some time to install, but this has been imported successfully in my Python. So now this I have imported it as kit. So this kit provides a functionality which is send what message, and it's taken 4 parameter. First one will be the number, and second one will be the message you want to send on this number, and then you have to specify the time. First parameter will be hour, and the second parameter will be minutes. For example, if I want to send a message on 10:39, then I have to write like 10 means 22, so 22, and then you have to specify the minutes like 39. So be careful with the time. You have to specify the time in 24-hour formats, not in 12-hour. So and this value will be integer, and these values are taken as string. So if I want to send a message to this number, it's like plus 965 and 51411 525. So cool. And I would like to say hi. So if I go on and run this program, so I have to be careful with the time. I have to specify the time greater than this time in order to have a proper execution. So in 11 seconds, the web.whatsapp will open, and after 20 seconds, the message will be delivered. This is our console output. So now we will see in a while. So now the program has taken me to my web WhatsApp, and the message has been typed successfully, and it has been delivered successfully as well to this number. So this was very much it for the WhatsApp automation. Stay tuned to have more videos like this. For now, Allah Hafiz.